Morning students, today I am going to explain you one question from chemistry numerical. Question is calculate the ratio of molecules present in 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide and 1.6 gram of sulfur dioxide. The solution is mass of 1 mole of CO2 is equals to 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16 equals to 12 plus 32, that is equals to 44 gram. Since 44 gram of CO2 equals to 1 mole, therefore 4.4 gram of CO2 is equals to 4.4 by 44 equals to 44 by 44 into 10, because after removing the decimal here 10 came, and after 44 and 44 is being cancelled, then here it is equals to 1 by 10 mole. Now, mass of 1 mole of SO2 is equals to 1 into 32, because sulfur is 1 atom and its atomic mass is 32, so 1 into 32 plus O2, 2 atoms of oxygen, so 2 into 16, because 1 mass of atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so this is equals to 32 plus 32 equals to 64 gram. Now, number of mole of SO2 is equals to given weight of SO2 divided by molecular mass of SO2. Okay, so given weight of SO2 is how much? 1.6, and molecular mass of SO2 is 64. That is equals to, after removing the decimal, it becomes 16 by 64 into 10. 16 4 is 64. So it becomes 1 by 4 into 10, that is equals to 1 by 40 mole. And since the ratio of molecules present in CO2 and SO2 will be the same as the ratio of their moles. So, ratio of molecules of CO2 and SO2 is equals to 1 by 10 is to 1 by 40, that is equals to 1 by 10 divided 1 by 40, and that is equals to 1 by 10 into 40 by 1, and that's equals to 40 by 10, 0 0 cancel, that is equals to 4 by 1, that is equals to 4 is to 1, and so thus the ratio of molecules present in 4.4 gram of CO2 and 1.6 gram of SO2 is 4 is to 1. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.